A little boy comes home from school. He's happy. He has a drawing for his mom. But when he opens the door, his bags are packed. His mom looks at him and says, "I can't keep you anymore."
This is the story of a boy named Leo, and it will break your heart.
Leo is 7 years old. He lives with his mom in a small apartment. They don't have much money, but Leo is a happy boy. Every day Leo goes to school. He likes drawing, he likes math, and he loves coming home because his mom always says,
How was your day, my little star?
and Leo always says the same thing.
It was great, Mom.
Leo doesn't know that his mom is very tired. She works 2 jobs, one in the morning at a bakery and one at night at a restaurant.
She sleeps only 4 hours every night, but she never tells Leo. She always smiles for him.
Let's practice. Repeat after me slowly. She works 2 jobs, one in the morning and one at night. One day, Leo comes home from school. He has a drawing. It's a picture of his mom with a big heart.
But when he opens the door, the apartment is different. There's a suitcase near the door, a small suitcase, Leo's suitcase.
His mom is sitting at the table. She's not smiling. Her eyes are red.
Leo, sit down. I need to talk to you.
What's wrong, Mom? Are we going on a trip?
No, Leo. You're going to stay with Grandma for a while.
Why? Did I do something bad?
No, you didn't do anything bad. I can't take care of you right now.
Leo doesn't understand. He looks at his mom. He holds his drawing tighter, and he asks one question.
Mom, you don't want me anymore?
His mom doesn't answer.
Repeat after me. I can't take care of you right now. Did I do something bad?
Now, you might think this is a sad story. And yes, it is sad. But wait. Because what happens next? Leo didn't expect, and you won't expect it either.
Leo goes to his grandma's house. Grandma's kind. She makes him soup. She reads him stories at night. But Leo is quiet. He doesn't talk much.
Every night, Leo looks at his drawing, the one he made for his mom, and he thinks, what did I do wrong?
At school, the other kids talk about their moms. My mom made cookies. My mom took me to the park. Leo says nothing.
One day, a boy in his class asks,
Hey, Leo, where's your mom? She never comes to school.
She's busy.
But inside, Leo thinks, she doesn't want me.
Weeks pass. Leo stops drawing. He stops smiling. Grandma sees this, and one night she sits next to him.
Leo, can I tell you something about your mom?
I don't want to talk about her.
I know, but I think you need to hear this.
Let's practice some new words. Repeat. Where's your mom? She never comes to school. She's busy.
If you're learning English with us, click subscribe and the bell. We make new stories like this every week. Now, let's find out the truth about Leo's mom.
Grandma opens a small box. Inside there are letters, many letters, all from Leo's mom.
Your mom writes to you every week, Leo, but she asked me to wait. She said she would tell you when she's ready.
Leo takes the first letter. His hands are shaking. He reads it slowly.
My dear Leo, I'm so sorry. I know you're confused. I know you're sad. I want to tell you the truth. I'm sick, Leo. The doctor said I need to go to the hospital for a long time. I don't want you to see me like this. I don't want you to be scared.
Leo picks up another letter.
Today was a bad day. I miss you so much. I looked at your drawing, the one with the big heart. I keep it next to my bed. You are my little star. You will always be my little star.
And another letter.
The doctor says I'm getting better, a little bit, every day. I eat more now. I sleep more. Every time I feel tired, I think of you. And I keep going.
Leo is crying now. But not because he's sad, because he finally understands.
His mom didn't send him away because she didn't want him. She sent him away because she loves him more than anything.
These are important sentences. Repeat slowly. I'm sick. The doctor said I need to go to the hospital. I don't want you to see me like this. You are my little star.
But the story isn't over yet. There's one more part, and it's the part that will make you smile.
3 months later, Grandma wakes Leo up early.
Get dressed, Leo. We're going somewhere special.
They drive for a long time. Leo doesn't know where they're going. Then the car stops. In front of a small house with a yellow door.
The door opens, and there she is.
His mom. She looks thinner. She looks tired. But she's smiling, that same smile.
Hello, my little star.
Leo runs. He runs faster than he has ever run before. He jumps into her arms and he says,
I thought you didn't want me.
Oh, Leo, I have always wanted you, every single day. You are the reason I got better.
Leo gives her something. The drawing, the one with the big heart. It's a little wrinkled now, a little old, but his mom holds it like it's the most precious thing in the world.
This is the most beautiful drawing I have ever seen.
Sometimes, the people who love us the most do things we don't understand. They push us away. Not because they don't care, but because they care too much.
If someone you love is going through a hard time, be patient. Sometimes love doesn't look the way we expect.
And if you're the one going through a hard time, it's okay to ask for help. It's okay to say, I need time. That doesn't mean you stop loving someone.
What do you think about Leo's story? Tell us in the comments. And if this story made you feel something, share it with a friend who is learning English.
We are Alex and Mia from English Cast Duo. Practice your English with us every week. See you in the next story.
Last practice. Repeat after me. Sometimes love doesn't look the way we expect. It's okay to ask for help.